Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Sukh EduWorld. Today we will discuss next 10 questions of this question paper. I had uploaded 5 videos and each video covered 10 questions of this exam, and we are solving B section of this question paper, and I had solved total 50 questions, and now we will discuss next 10 questions from 101 to 110. Okay, so in the next question, they are saying which among the following is the formula of acetic acid, and its correct answer is C because it involves CS3. If you open its structure, this will be CS3 C double bond O OH. So this is carboxylic acid moiety. So its correct answer, you have to mention acid. So out of these four options, acid is C option. So this is acetic acid. C option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, which one of the following act as a catalyst in the conversion of alcohol to gasoline? Okay, so you have to mention uh, catalyst which convert alcohol to gasoline. So gasoline is a hydrocarbon, right? This is hydrocarbon, so you have to convert alcohol to hydrocarbon, and they are providing you four options, and out of four options your correct answer is zeolite, which is D option. Okay, so geolites, actually these are microporous aluminosilicate minerals. Okay, microporous aluminosilicates. Geolites are microporous aluminosilicate minerals. Okay, so these are used as a catalyst in chemical industry, mainly involve in the conversion of alcohols to hydrocarbons, and gasoline is also hydrocarbons, and this process, okay, of this conversion actually occurs through different steps, processes like and isomerization cracking and isomerization. So you can also note these two points, that they can also ask through which process zeolites act as a catalyst and convert alcohols to hydrocarbons. So these two processes are involved. One is cracking and other is isomerization for the conversion of alcohols to hydrocarbons, and zeolites acts as a catalyst. So in this question, D option is your correct answer. In the next question, due to the returning of electrons from third, fourth or fifth energy levels to the second energy level, Balmer series appears in the region. Okay, so they are providing you four region, and out of four your correct answer is visible region, A option. Okay, so they are talking about Balmer series. So in the Balmer series, when electrons are returning from higher energy levels to second energy level, okay, so actually it involves. So actually in Balmer series you will get a spectral lines, okay, when electrons fall from higher energy level with n equal to or greater than 3 to the second energy level, n is equal to 2. Okay, so these transitions emit photons in the visible light spectrum. So your correct answer is visible region, which is A option. That is an A option. Okay, so in the next question, in the aluminothermic process, Mn3O4 is used for reduction, oxidation, increasing oxidation number, maintaining the same oxidation number, and out of these four options your correct answer is A option. Okay, reduction. So in aluminothermic process, Mn3O4 is used for reduction. So actually what happened in aluminothermic process, in this actually manganese, which is in oxidation state 2 or 3. So generally manganese oxides are reduced by aluminum, okay, by aluminum to manganese metal. Okay, so this process is a type of exothermic reduction, okay, and where aluminum, this aluminum serve as a reducing agent. Reducing agent convert manganese oxides to manganese metal. Okay, so in this case generally reduction is okay, reduction is involved, so A option is your correct answer. In the next question, it was stated by a student that there is an increase in rate of chemical reaction for a temperature rise. So they are saying when temperature is increased, rate of reaction is increased. Okay. He wrote the following reasons to justify his statement, but all of them are not correct. Okay. They are providing you 4 options and you have to choose incorrect statement. So keep in mind you have to mention incorrect statement as your answer. So first option is it is due to increase in number of collisions. So this is correct option. It is correct option because if temperature is increased, number of collisions will increase and you will get increase in rate of chemical reaction. So this option is correct. Now it is due to shortening of mean free path. So this option it is incorrect. Okay, because if you'll see expression of mean free path, or mean free path actually directly proportional to temperature. So if temperature is increased, mean free path is increased, and they are saying with increasing temperature mean free path is decreased. So this option is incorrect. Okay, it means this is one of your answer. Next is it is due to decrease in number of activated molecules. So this option is also incorrect because as temperature will increase, there will be a increase in number of activated molecules obviously. Yeah, so they are saying decrease in number of activated molecule, it means that this option is incorrect. Fourth option is it is due to increase in pressure of the system. So this option is also incorrect because if you increase the temperature, obviously volume will increase and pressure will decrease, and they are saying with increasing temperature pressure of the system will increase and rate of reaction is increased. That is totally incorrect. So out of 4 options your incorrect statements are second, third and fourth, and you have to tell them incorrect statement which is your answer. So that is second, third and fourth, and that is present in D option. So D option is your correct answer. Okay, in the next question they are saying in the preparation of polymer nylon 66 which of the following monomer is used, and they are providing 4 options, and one is hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. This is incorrect. Second is caprolactam, correct. Other options are incorrect. Okay, so B option is your correct answer, which is caprolactam. Okay, so nylon 6 is prepared from caprolactam and its structure is C double bond O NH. Okay, this is structure of caprolactam. Okay, so if you will see preparation of nylon 66 is it is prepared from caprolactam, and this process occurs at high temperature under vacuum. Okay, so B option is your correct answer. In the next question, the electropositive character of group 1A of the periodic table increases from lithium to cesium while their electronegativity decreases In the same order from cesium to lithium, in the reverse order from rubidium to sodium. So correct option is A option, in the same order. Okay, so the electropositive character of group first A of the periodic table, obviously it is increased from lithium to cesium. Okay, but its electronegativity will also decrease in the same order. Okay, so the electropositive character increases as you will move down the group in the case of alkali metals from lithium to cesium. So this is because atoms become larger and outer electrons are more easily lost. Okay, so correspondingly their electronegativity character decrease in the same order from lithium to cesium because attraction between nucleus and valence electrons decrease as the atomic radius increases. Okay, so correct option is A option. In the next question, the solvent in descending paper chromatography moves down due to the presence of which force? So they are providing you four forces, and correct is B option, which is gravitational force. Okay, so in descending paper chromatography the solvent moves down the paper primarily due to gravitational force. Okay, so this allow the solvent to carry the dissolved substances with it as it travels downwards. Okay, so enabling the separation of different components based on their affinity to the paper and the solvent. So gravitational force play an important role in descending paper chromatography. So B option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, benzene consists of 6 carbon atoms in which each carbon exhibit dash hybridization. So if you will see the structure of benzene, it involves 3 pi electrons and 3 pi bonds and 6 pi electrons, and 6 pi electrons are delocalized in the ring, and all carbons have sp2 hybridization state. So C option is your correct answer. In the last question, what is pH range in which strong basic anion exchangers are used? Okay, so strong basic anion exchangers, actually these are designed to operate across the entire pH range. You can say from highly acidic pH 1 to highly basic pH equal to 14. So this makes them versatile for various applications like in water treatment, you can say, and chemical processing and other industrial applications. So you will pick a range of pH within the range of 1 to 14. So which is in A option. So A option is your correct answer in this question. Okay, so other questions I'll try to cover in the next video, and if you like the video, share it and subscribe the channel and do practice. Okay, thank you very much.